Hello everyone, welcome to Advanced SQL Week 3.4 Group Assignment. I am Donnie Zhang. The following will portray the ETL process done by the group consisting of Dakota, Matthias, and I. As you follow along, I will cover each step of the ETL process in the SSIS package. The Dakota was in charge of handling the extraction process. In this container, the first step involves truncating the table in his database. What then follows is the extraction of data from my database containing data about baby names and extract it into his database. The next container is the transformation process, which was handled by myself. First, the table is truncated of any pre-existing data. Next, the data is transformed through an aggregate transform shown here. What happens in this aggregate transform is the data grabs a distinct count of names, sums them all up, and then groups them by gender. It is then sorted by name and finally put into a table in my database. And lastly, the load container. This process was handled by Matthias. First, similar to the other containers, the table in his database is truncated of any pre-existing data. Next, the next step then involves loading the transform data from my database and inserts it into a table in his database, as shown here. Now, to conclude the video, let's take a look at the results of the ETL process. Now, on the left here is a query showing the results of the data of the raw data. Now notice how the name Aban is shown multiple times. This trend is seen throughout the raw data. Now over on the right here is our transform data. Now in the first row, the name Aban only has one entry for it, which has the gender, followed by the total sum of all the times the name Aban was given to babies throughout the year of 2010 to 2014. That is the end of our video. Leave us any feedback or questions on the discussion board post. Thank you for watching.